My name is Angel. I work here at Blueprint Advanced Manufacturing as an apprentice. I went to Pickens Technical College. The advanced manufacturing program at Pickens is honestly truly wonderful. I believe it does build up a lot of the core values in terms of how everything works. It does give us more of that readiness in terms of we know what to do, it's just the matter of doing it. 50% of it usually kind of comes from school and book work, and then the other half of it is actually using what you've learned. A lot of the skills that I've learned from Pickens that help transfer over to the actual work environment is the amount of kind of care that we put in towards what we were doing, as well as being able to understand a lot of the processes behind it. The teacher there does kind of give you a lot more personal freedoms, and as you start to struggle, he kind of gives you more of a guiding hand. Opportunities for me to get a job after school were very easy. Found out about this place through my teacher. It's extremely important to have a job for me while I'm still in school. Just being here, it really shows me more of a greater impact in terms of what my schooling has done for me. I think my favorite thing about working here is always the variety of work. One day I could be working on armatures, the next day I'm working on extrusions and enclosures, as well as end cap. With an advanced manufacturing degree, it's definitely a really good start. A lot of my big hopes is definitely working here as long as I possibly can.